Hi, welcome to something more. I am Swanan and today we are going to do the unboxing and a review of OnePlus Buds Z. Okay, let's do the unboxing and checks what's in the box. So I had ordered them on Flipkart and they just got delivered. It is a true wireless Bluetooth earbuds with microphone. It comes with a charging case and on a single charge it gives a playback of 4 to 5 hours, and with the case you can charge them around 3 to 4 times. So in a total you can get about 20 to 22 hours of playback time, and with a quick 10-minute charge you can get additional 2 to 3 hours of playback time. They also come with some extra ear tips, and a good thing is that it charges via USB-C cable, which is very good. Using the cable you can quickly charge them, and it comes within the box too. They also has a IP55 rating, so they also have some water and sweat resistance, so it is perfectly fit for running, climbing, hiking, cycling, etc. Okay, now let's talk about the sound quality and mic quality. If we compare it with Apple AirPods Pro, the sound quality and mic quality is very good considering the price of them. The mids and highs are good, but the bass is on the lower side. Yes, there is no active noise cancellation, but passive noise cancellation is also okay. So overall, if you are purchasing them, it is bang for the buck. So that's it guys. This is the OnePlus Buds Z. You can find the link to buy this in the description. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments. See you in my next video.